What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nour and I'm known for turning $20,000 into a little over $3 million. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made a little over $1,800 today, probably within an hour. A couple minutes here, a couple minutes there. Went to the gym and then came back. But let's see. Let's start with Boeing, right? So let's start with Boeing. So today, Boeing received good news on their 737 MAX that's actually been causing the company some problems, many issues. People didn't even think that the 737 MAX would ever go up in the air again. And here we are, where Boeing announced that they may actually have them up by December, which is quicker than a lot of people expected. So today, you can see that it on the day it finished up $16, 4.55%, which is pretty crazy. Hit a high of 369.75. I made just on Boeing $2,260. Let's start right here. So when they first got the news, obviously they got an initial pop from 349 all the way up to 353. So that's a pretty big jump. That's about $4 here. Had a red candle and then returned back. So you can see that one nice big candle. Look at the volume on these candles. So look at these individual candles. This was 9:45. This is in the morning. The average was around 30,000. And as soon as it got that news, boom, you see 237,000 in volume on that green candle, and then 277,000 on that red candle, and the very candle after that it had double that, around 426,000. So you keep looking at the candles after that, 449,000, and you just see high volume in candles pushing up. So I knew that 360 was a pretty important level for Boeing due to just so many issues. It hasn't been over that 360 for a while. So let's look at maybe the last 20 days. So you can see that the last time it was above 360 was October 18th. So that's like 2 weeks ago. They definitely received bad news. You can see it went from 369 all the way down to 324. So 360 was an important level. It's also a psychological level and a technical level that was important. So I saw 360. I was looking at the 360 level. As soon as I saw that 360 level push with some volume, then I decided that I should get in. But I did wait for that red candle because I was waiting for a bull flag. I saw that pullback, and once I saw that pullback, I got in and I scalped it. You can see that it pushed all the way to 369. I did not hold that long. There's something about trading momentum that kind of scares me. A lot of profit taking could take place. A lot of mixture in news. A lot of incorrect news pops up, and people start selling. So with this one, I didn't want to take the chance, but I did make some good money within minutes. So it wasn't a bad thing to take profits, but I could have held longer to 369. So that would have been the difference between $2,000 and $20,000, $30,000, $40,000. Probably a lot more, to be honest. But the next thing here is BYND. So I've scalped BYND. I just didn't like the volume. That's why I didn't hold it for that long. I scalped it here. So let's look at the 5-minute chart and explain why I got into BYND puts, right? So let's zoom in a little bit. So right here, this is today, right? This is today right here, and this is Friday. So as you can see on Friday, it was staying above this line. So look at the initial push right here. So it's around that 79 level, right? So I was looking at that 79 level. I understood that that it was going to hold. Wait, 1 second. Let me zoom in so you can see Friday and today, since today's Monday, right? So I was holding the support right here. I understood that 79.42 level was important. As soon as it broke it, I waited till it pushed back up real quick to create a bear flag. As soon as it created that bear flag, I think I got into this candle right here, and it just flushed from there. You can see that it went from 78.75 all the way down to 75.65. I just didn't like the volume. This is the 5-minute chart, but I did not like the volume. You can see right here on the 1-minute chart. This was Friday, and this is today. So I didn't like the volume, so I scalped it real quick. I wasn't even in heavy. probably $2,000. Made a quick 250 and got out. Could have held longer, could have made a lot more. And then Facebook, that was just me being impatient today. Even though I tell my students not to be impatient, it does get not to be force any trades. It does get the best of us, but there was also a mistake that happened. So when I went to go sell my 30 contracts for Facebook, I accidentally bought another 30, and I didn't realize it till a couple minutes later. And I had 60 contracts, so I waited a little bit, ended up losing $630, which isn't that big of a deal, but let me show you why I got in. So I was looking at this. As soon as I saw this candle, I thought to myself, there was some volume. So if you look at the volume, this average 10 to 20,000. As soon as this candle happened, nice big green candle, I saw 50,000 volume, high volume, no technicals. I just looked at the volume, and the market was recovering because of Boeing. It was just recovering in general anyways before that. So I was like, all right, let me give this a shot. Got into Facebook, held for a little bit. I was up, went to go sell my 30 contracts, bought another 30. Great. Now my average is a little higher. And it just started tanking, and I did not want to get caught. I was looking at SPY. SPY at the time was tanking a little bit. Where is it? Let me go back. Right here. So SPY was, very choppy, so I didn't want to get stuck in Facebook. So I ended up selling that for a quick loss, but I got Boeing later in the day and made $2,260, $250 on BYND. So it made up for the loss anyways, and came up on the date $1,880. So that's how I made close to $2,000 today. I'll be trying to do these videos on the daily so you could see my thought process behind these trades, and I'll be trying to get live trades in. The problem with live trades is I use Loom, so it's a little laggy when I go to place trades. So I'll see what I can do to that. I'll love to get some live trades up for you guys. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. If you want any more information about me, make sure you click the description or check out my Instagram, Nour Trades. I'll see you guys. Peace.